Michael got cleared, so he's back here, folks. First day back after the smaller road. Yep. Ruts for days now, so watch yourself when you come back here, folks.